Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Lou, and this is Metal Lens Reviews. Welcome to my channel. If this happens to be your first time here, you check it out, you like what you see, thank you. Please do me the favor of like, comment, subscribe. As I mentioned before, it really helps me grow the channel, spread it to the masses, and of course motivates me to provide you guys some more content. So it's a win-win. Alright, so these guys are fairly new. Well, one of them is. One of them, I believe, I reacted to with another Russian artist. They were doing a duet, which is interesting because this is another duet, a live duet. You know, I always do music videos and studio versions. I figure, you know, live track, you know, brings out the emotions, no professional mixes, pretty raw performance. It's, you know, it's where it's at. But yeah, EMIN and Jony. Funny enough, they're both Azerbaijani Russians, so this should be interesting. There's a bit of a kinship there, and a super popular song. How I discovered these two guys, actually, was literally typing in Google search, popular, modern, current Russian artists, and, you know, they were up there, along with, you know, half dozen other artists, but, why not? Alright guys, let's give this song a listen to. EMIN and Jony. It's called Fireplace, and it's live at Zahara 21. Must be some event that was in 2021. I'll let you guys answer that one for me. Alright, let's check it out.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота. В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота. В камине в 6 утра.
Nice. Very, very smooth opening. Good vocal lines between the both of them. Yeah. I see why this got the amount of views it did. I'm starting to catch on now. And as I said, these two guys are modern, current, popular, I guess, trending, maybe. Let me know in the comments. So they, you know, these guys played in radios and on radios. They played on the radio. If you guys still listen to radio in Russia. Or clubs. They played in clubs. Looks like they would, you know, be in that, you know, maybe, you know, like a lounge or something. I don't know. But, like I said, they're popular. That's what Google said anyway. And you can definitely tell. You can kind of read someone's body motions and their presence on stage and be like, yeah, they're destined for, you know, greatness. Interesting. So, all right, let's keep going.
Устал я жить, все обиды тая. Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. И если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох. Звезды мирно падали, как будто для меня. Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять, но больше не могу, я просто мучаю себя. Теперь ты уже не моя. В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя.
Also, I like the fact that it's actually like a live band playing. I'm sure they're playing to a backing track too, but whatever. The performance is great. It's subtle. It's smooth. I love what's going on in the background. It's like some Circus du Soleil stuff going on. Some, you know, Barnum and Bailey trapeze artists. Whatever that's tying into the music video. Wow. You know, I love the title too, Fireplace. I think that's cool. But yeah, a whole lot going on. I love it. It's very smooth, seductive, romantic kind of song. Subtitles wasn't even an option, so I'll let you guys kind of translate this one for me in the context and what the song's about. But either way, yeah, the performance-wise, excellent song. And I'm pretty sure this is probably going to be the tempo throughout, but it's the range, the vocal ranges, everything that's going on in front of me, visually and song-wise, is, you know, A+ in my book. Let's keep going.
Горят воспоминания о тебе у камина в 6 утра. Разбитая душа, все твои обещания, пустота. В камине в 6 утра, фотография твоя. Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра. Разбитая душа. И все твои обещания. Пустота.
Wow, that was impressive. Yep. Like I said, need no introduction. I totally understand and get it why they have the amount of views they do and why they're popular. Like I said, I don't know how popular they are in and around Russia, probably, but you know, just doing that random search and hearing them both together, you know, wow. Yeah, definitely impressive. Great vocal work. Smooth song, by the way. Very, very, like I said, just kind of drew you in. You know, it was very luring. Beautiful song. Beautifully sung song. And the audience definitely was feeling it. They were definitely grooving to this. And that was such a cheesy word, grooving. But they were definitely into the song. You could tell they were vibing with it. And, yeah, that's always a good sign when the audience kind of participates and feels what the artist is conveying. Wonderful song. Yeah, I might have to revisit them again, you know, in the future, definitely, for sure. Awesome first impression, and like I said, really well done song. Well, there you have it, guys. That was EMIN JONY with the song Fireplace. And for a live track, smooth, you know, like, wow, super impressive. Alright, guys, that's all I got. Hey, if you made this far in the video, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to recommend me a song, suggest me something to watch, review, react to, I'll leave a link down below entitled Buy Me a Coffee. You can reach out to me through that, or if you want to just support the channel, please. That's always welcomed, but also totally up to you. Well, guys, that's all I got, and as always, I'll see you all very, very soon. Peace.